The U.S. Navy is using this F-18 Hornet to conduct a bomb deployment test. Above it, a TA-4 Skyhawk chase plane is filming the maneuvers. As the aircrafts reach 5,000 feet, the weapon is released. But then, disaster. Take another look. The 250-pound bomb clips the right wing of the Skyhawk, causing the plane to spin out of control. Another angle reveals that the turbulence from the Hornet causes the projectile to fly directly into the path of the other plane. The stunned pilots have no time to react. The pilot of the bomber watches in horror as the Skyhawk plummets to the water below. There's almost no hope that the men could possibly survive. But watch again. Just seconds before the burning plane hits the ocean, the crewman can be seen ejected. Then another. The pilots are alive. The parachutes open and they safely glide to the bay.